What is Bitcoin? Simple explanation and technical analysis in 2 minutes. Imagine a currency that's not controlled by banks or governments, but by code and the people who use it. That's Bitcoin. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Stick around and I'll break it down for you in just 2 minutes. Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency, created in 2009 by an anonymous person, or group, named Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger that records every transaction. Here's how it works. When you send Bitcoin, the transaction is verified by a network of computers, called miners, and added to the blockchain. This makes Bitcoin secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to hack. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin is known for its volatility. Its value is driven by supply and demand, market sentiment, and adoption by institutions. Technical analysis helps traders predict price movements by studying charts and patterns. For example, if Bitcoin breaks through a key resistance level, it could signal a bullish trend. But remember, Bitcoin is still a high-risk asset. Always do your research before investing. So, to sum it up, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency powered by blockchain technology. It's revolutionary, but it's also volatile. Whether you're investing or just curious, understanding Bitcoin is the first step to navigating the crypto world. And that's Bitcoin in 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let me know in the comments. What crypto topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching.